Parent Connect is a web-based tool that allows parents to check their child's academic progress from any computer, anytime. With Parent Connect, parents can check their child's homework assignments and grades, view report cards, check attendance reports, communicate with their child's teacher, and much more. Now let's take a look at Parent Connect. To access Parent Connect, visit the City School District's website at www.rcsdk12.org. Once there, under the shortcuts list, select Parent Connect, which will then take you to the Parent Connect login page. Once you click on Login, you will be requested to enter your user ID and password. Once logged in, you'll see the Household Summary page. The Household Summary is an overview that lists each of the children registered within Parent Connect, has an overview on assignments and attendance, and also tells you when the system was last updated. You can use the links on the left-hand side to access different categories within Parent Connect. Well, from the Household Summary page, if you click on the student's name, it will then take you to the Student Summary page, which has details on what assignments are due for the week and gives you an opportunity to view their current marking period report card. Also here in the right-hand corner, it gives you the opportunity to use this drop-down menu to switch between which child you want to check information on. If you click on assignments, it will actually list for you what assignments are due, what class they're due for, when they're due, and it also tells you which teacher gave the assignment. There's also a drop-down menu which allows you to view more than a week at a time for homework assignments, or just today's and tomorrow's. You can do this week and last week. It all depends on how you would prefer to view it. Now we're going to look at the Class Scores tab, and this will let you know what course is currently listed with a grade. It will give you the grade and the teacher's name. If you have any questions or concerns, you want to discuss your child's grade, you can click on the teacher's name, which will then take you to an email. Here you can send your child's teacher an email regarding your questions or concerns. The grade summary page allows you to view per marking period, the course grade, course title, and what the current report card grade is for that marking period. You can use the drop-down menu to view different marking periods. The report card tab provides you with a link to view your child's report card. Once finished viewing, if you click on Return to the Grades page, it will take you back to the Report Card tab. The Student Schedule tab allows you to view your child's daily class schedule. The next category we have is attendance. This one's one of my favorites. Here we have a Calendar tab, which gives you the monthly calendar. These neat little icons allow you to view whether your child has an unexcused or excused tardy, and also allows you to view whether their absence was unexcused or excused. So clicking on the icon will allow you to view an attendance report, which will provide you with more detailed information. The attendance summary allows you to view your child's attendance, whether it's weekly, you can pull it up monthly, or for the entire school year. The school information category lists your child's school's name, the address and phone number, and if you click on this nice neat picture here, it will take you to the school's website. Up in the upper right hand corner here we have a Settings tab, which once you click on it, it gives you the option to change your password, which the information is here. Also has the email address listed that you would receive any Parent Connect information to. You're welcome to enter a secondary email address for contact purposes. And down here, these great alert notifications that are available to you allows you to select either one or all, or as many as you'd like, to allow you to receive alerts regarding your child's absences, if they're late for either any given day or class, if they're missing any assignments, or if they're failing any classes. Okay, we'll click on the Support tab. The Support tab provides you with contact information as to who you can contact regarding any technical difficulties that you may be experiencing with the Parent Connect website.